Hi, Julie here, and I am here with the Neewer CB200 cob light. So I thought instead of doing an unboxing as such, I would do an in use. So I've just set up a little still life with some sunflowers and a little timber box, nothing over the top, and I am just been playing around with it. So I've actually got the 65 centimeter, I think, or 60 centimeter parabolic quick release softbox. This thing is amazing. It's got these little switches on it. I'm hoping you can see that. I'm probably too close. And they are super quick release. These are fabulous, especially if you've got really bad hands like I do. So let's go back to where the action happens. So there is a little, it's really cute. It says power here, and if you follow that round, the power button is just underneath. Good idea, huh? Easy to see. So I've got my setup here. So I've currently got it set on 56,000 GM at +6. It's at 23% power. I can dial it up. Now, by pressing modes, I'm hoping you can see that, I've changed the complete colour of it. So you can go to different modes. There's special effects that you can use. You can go to RGB. There is different gel figures. You can play around with those. The one that's made a little bit smaller, I'm hoping you can see that, is the one that's currently set. So that's pretty cool. This one down here, and that's just back to the start. This one down here, if you turn that on, that allows you to go to turn your Wi-Fi on, so you can connect to the app, and the app's pretty cool. Then you've got a lock button. If you press this button, you can turn the power up. So as you saw before, I was down pretty low, and I'm going to put it back down to where it was, and I'm going to scroll that back to 56 again. So that is my light for this scene. I might actually raise it up a bit higher and shoot down low, but I just wanted to be able to show you the back of this. And then don't forget, you've also got the app as well. Okay, so I've set up another little scene here. Still got my sunflowers. Now I've got them in a little old teapot. I've got some fresh pears there. I still have my Neewer CB200 and my softbox set up there. And I have a silver reflector. So the background, I've got a Kate backdrop, vintage brown backdrop, and I have got from Adaptalux one of their photo boards, which is just timber photo board, which is just beautiful. So that is my setup for now. I'm going to take some photos and I'll put some of them in the post so you can see them. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me for the moment. I will do some portraits shortly with the Neewer CB200 setup, so you can see how good it is for portraits as well. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.